What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to access eVisa in the UK. Now to access your eVisa in the UK, you need to create a UK VI account. But here are a few things you'll need. You need a smart device, could be a smartphone, laptop, or an internet-enabled device. You'll also need your identity document. This could be your BRP or passport. Then your BRP number or application number. If you don't have this, visit gov.uk/eVisa for more guidance. Then you also need to have your date of birth, your email address, a mobile phone number, and access to the UK Immigration ID Check app. This is available on Google Play Store or the App Store. Now here's the process. The first thing you need to do, of course, as we mentioned earlier, is to create a UK VI account. Go to gov.uk/eVisa to access the account creation service. Then you'll need to fill in your personal details and click Create Account. You will receive an email confirmation once your account is successfully created. The next step is to confirm your identity. Now use the UK Immigration ID Check app and follow the instructions provided within the app. If you're using a computer, laptop, or tablet, you'll need to download the app on a smartphone to either scan a QR code or request a connection code to link your devices. The app will guide you to take a picture of your BRP or passport where you get to verify your information and then take a picture of your face for biometric verification. And the third and last step is to link your account to your eVisa. Complete all the required sections in the task list within your UK VI account. Then confirm that you've read the declaration and then click Submit. You will receive an email when your eVisa is ready to view. Please note that this may take a few days. So there you have it. These are the steps in order to access eVisa UK.